If you've made the decision to sell your campground, there are a few things you need to do in order to prepare. In this video, we'll outline 10 tips that will help you make the process easier for you and the buyer. By following these tips, you can ensure that your campground is in good condition and ready to be sold. Tip number 1, clear out the clutter. The first thing you need to do is clear out any unnecessary clutter from your campground. This means getting rid of old furniture, decorations, anything else taking up space. Not only will this make your campground look more appealing to potential buyers, but it will also make it easier to show them around. Tip 2, freshen up the paint job. If your campground's paint is looking faded or chipped, now is the time to give it a fresh coat. This will help make your campground look more inviting and well maintained. Tip 3, fix any damaged features. Do you have any damaged features on your campground? If so, now's the time to fix them. This could include anything from a broken gate to a cracked sidewalk. By fixing these things, you show potential owners that you take pride in your campground and that it's well cared for. Tip 4, invest in some new landscaping. If your campground's landscaping is looking a bit dated or tired, consider investing in some new plants and flowers. This will give the whole place a fresh look and make it more inviting to potential owners. Tip 5, make sure all the systems are in working order. Before you put your campground on the market, you must ensure that all systems are in working order. This includes the electrical, plumbing, and septic systems. By ensuring these things are in good condition, you can give potential buyers peace of mind in knowing that they won't have to deal with any major repairs immediately. Tip 6, gather your permits. During the due diligence process, you'll be asked to present your compliance permits, like zoning, usage, sewage, easements, and utilities. New owners will want to know the current capacities of your systems. These documents are probably not something that you use on a daily basis, so you may need a bit of time to gather them. Make sure you do this immediately rather than later to avoid losing out on any potential buyers. Tip 7, make sure your accounting records and tax records are ready to show. You'll need to have 3 years of financial statements, tax returns, and a year-to-date financial statement. Financial statements include a balance sheet and an income statement, sometimes called a profit and loss statement. Make sure your financial statements are prepared by an accountant or CPA so that they're accurate and the buyer knows that they can depend on the information to make their decision to buy. This will give potential buyers a clear idea of the financial health of your business. Tip 8, create a detailed list of what's included in the sale. When you're selling your campground, it's important to be clear about what is and is not included in the sale. This means creating a detailed list of everything that you will be including, such as the buildings, the land, equipment, and any amenities. You should also include each of these items' approximate fair market value. By doing this, you can avoid any confusion or misunderstandings later down the road. Tip 9, hire a professional photographer and videographer. If you really want to make sure your campground looks its best, hire a professional photographer. They will know how to take pictures and videos highlighting all of its best features and making it look more appealing to potential buyers. Tip 10, price it right. One of the most important things to do when selling your campground is to price it correctly. It's important to use a broker who understands the market and understands how much your campground is worth. This is because they will be able to help you price your campground correctly and ensure you get the best possible price. They'll also assist you in ensuring that only reputable buyers are bringing you offers, and they will make the transaction go smoothly without having to put out a whole lot of effort. By using a reputable broker or marketing company, you can rest assured that you're in good hands and that they will do everything they can to get the best deal for you. By following these tips, you can prepare your campground for sale and make it more attractive to potential buyers. By taking the time to do this, you can also increase your chances of selling your campground quickly and for a great price. Please follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Please make sure to check out our blog and our website linked below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell to be notified when we post. You can email me at donna@campgroundaccounting.com.